For the board CBSE 6th class, subject is mathematics and prepared by myself KV Sridhar. Chapter number 6, title of the chapter is integers. Students, in this session we are going to discuss about the topic integers, chapter number 6. Integer number line. This is the number line. Okay, this which represents integers on the number line. Here 0 is the in the middle part of the number line, and to the right side we have all positive numbers. That means with plus sign. These are the positive integers. And to left side of this 0, all negative integers we have on number line, that is -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, 0 is neither positive nor negative. This line represents, okay, number line. This number line represents integer number line. Ordering of integers. How we are going to order? We know 0 is the origin in the middle of the number line. Okay, they are moving the numbers or integers to the left side to that of 0 is called as negative direction, and to the right side we have positive direction. Okay, so in which we have in the positive direction of integers, they are called as positive integers, and in the left side, that is in the negative direction, we have negative numbers represented with -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Okay, this is the ordering of integers. We will look into exercise 6.1. Problem number 1. Write opposite of the following. Increase in weight. Here it is increase. So what is the opposite one? Decrease in weight. Next, 30 kilometers north. Opposite is 30 kilometers south, because south is in opposite direction to the north direction. Okay. 80 meters east. Students, now you have to tell 80 meters east. So what is the opposite one? Yes, it is 80 meters west. Loss of 700 rupees. So profit of or else gain of. Loss opposite is gain. Gain of 700 rupees. 100 meters above sea level. So opposite is 100 meters below sea level. Second problem. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meters above. Whenever it is called as above, it indicates positive sign. So it is plus 2000 meters. Okay, since it is above. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meters below the sea level. So since it is below, it is minus 800 meters. See, a deposit of rupees 200. So opposite is plus 200 because it was credited. Okay, plus because we were deposited. Withdrawal of rupees 700. So minus 700 rupees. Problem number 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line. Represent the following numbers on a number line. Plus 5. We know on the number line 0 is the middle, it is the origin, and to the left side we have negative integers, and to the right side we have positive integers. This is how we are going to represent plus 5. Minus 10. 10 positions left to the origin, left side, 1, 2, like this. The positions I am telling, first position, second position, third position, like this in the 10th position, but the direction is negative direction, so it represents -10. Left side of the origin, +8. Tell me, it is positive side. Okay, if you want negative, it is left side, negative direction. -1. See here, left side to the origin. Here it is one position moved. -6. So to the origin, 6 positions we have to move to the left side. Represents -6. Fourth problem. The adjacent figure, see here, it is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. If point D is +8, which point is -8? This is the +1. Okay, sorry, this is the +8. Plus D represents 8. So if you can see here from the origin, we have to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So F represents -8. Okay, 8 positions to the below. If point G is a negative integer, is point G is a negative integer or positive integer? We have to check it out to the origin whether it is in the upward direction or in the downward direction. Since it is in the downward direction, G is a negative integer. Write integers for points B and point E. From this position, we have to go for the top in the upward direction 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so B represents +4 and E represents -10. We will see 1, first position, second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Since it is below, it is -10. Which point marked on this number line has least value? Tell me. -10 is the least value. Students, don't get confused. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So -10 is the least value. Arrange all the points in the order of value, decreasing value. Okay. D, C, B, A. Okay, 0 is the origin. We can call it as O or 0. O is the origin. H, G, F and E in the decreasing order from top to the bottom. Problem number 5. Following is a list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Place and temperature. Siachen 10 degrees below 0 degrees. Shimla 2 degrees below 0 degrees. Ahmedabad 30 degrees above 0 degrees centigrade. Delhi 20 degrees above 0 degrees centigrade. Srinagar 5 degrees below 0 degrees centigrade. Write the temperature. Question number 1. Write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column A. -10 because this is below. Next -2 below. Next +30 degrees because above, and +20 degrees above, and this is -5 degrees because it is below. Like this we have to represent. Following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. -10 is Siachen, -5 is Shimla, 20 degrees plus, okay, it is Delhi, and 30 degrees Ahmedabad. Okay. which is the coolest place, which is having the least value is the coolest place. Siachen is the coolest place because it is having the value minus 10 degrees centigrade when compared with any one of the given values. This is the least value. So this is the coolest place. Write the names of the places where temperature above 10 degrees centigrade. Ahmedabad and Delhi. Question number 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? 2 and 9. 9 is to the right side of 2. Okay, agreed? Good. Minus 3, minus 8. Minus 3 is to the right of minus 8 because minus 3 is greater than minus 8. 0 minus 1, of course, 0 is the right side to that of minus 1. Minus 11 and 10. 10 is, because 10 is the bigger value when compared with minus 11. So 10 is to the right of minus 11. Minus 6 and 6. 6 is to the right side of minus 6. Again the reason is 6 is bigger than minus 6. 1 minus 100. 1 is to the right side of minus 100. Minus 100 is lesser than plus 1. Write all the integers between the given pairs. We have to write them in increasing order. 0 and minus 7. Integers between 0 and minus 7 are, starting from left side, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay? Minus 4 and 4. Tell me. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 8 and minus 15. Starting from minus 8. Okay, integers between minus 8 and minus 15. Minus 15 is lesser than minus 8. So, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. After minus 9, again we are going to get minus 8. Minus 30 and minus 23. Integers between minus 30 and minus 23 are minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25 and finally minus 24. Problem number 8. Write 4 negative integers that are greater than minus 20. It is very simple because minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16. We have to move right side on the number line. Write 4 integers less than minus 10. 4 negative integers less than minus 10 are minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. Question number 9. For the following statements, write true or false. If the statement is false, we have to correct the statement. Minus 8 is to the right side of minus 10 on the number line. It is true. Why? Because minus 8 is bigger value than minus 10. Minus 8 is greater than minus 10. So it is on the right side of the number line to that of minus 10. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on the number line. False. Tell me students, the reason is minus 100 is lesser. Okay, so minus 100 is left side of the minus 50 on the number line. Bigger values always on the right side to the given number and lesser values, smaller values are on the left side of the given number. That is the thing we have to be remember. Smallest negative integer is minus 1. false because there is no smallest negative integers. Okay, there is no smallest negative integer. Minus 26 is greater than minus 25, false, because minus 26 is smaller than minus 25. Problem number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. Which number will reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? See, this is the number line. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? See, this is the number line. We have 0 as the origin. To the right side, we have all the positive integers we know. And to the right side, to the left side of this 0, we have all the negative integers. To the given number, if we can move for right side, we will get bigger values, and if we move left side of the given number, we will get smaller values of the given number. Okay, now the question is, which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers? So 4 numbers, so 4 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the number here? If we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2, we will reach 2. Okay, first position, second position, third position, fourth position. So if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2, we will reach 2. Next question. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? To the left, automatically we will get a lesser value than 1. How many positions? 5 positions from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is minus 4. If we are at minus 8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 13? We have to check. Okay, minus 8 and minus 13, which one is smaller? Minus 13 is the smaller value when compared with minus 8. So for the given number, if we want to get the smaller values, we have to reach to the left, as we have discussed in the earlier. Like this, left side. Question D. If we are at minus 6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? Right side. So with this we have completed exercise 6.1. Thank you.